Hello student, in this video we talk about the project setting in Filmora. So open your Filmora. When you open your Filmora, so you see this window, right? So from here you change the aspect ratio, the widescreen, right? Or the Instagram or the portrait for the short of YouTube, right? So if you select this, so your screen will be open as 9 by 16 for YouTube shorts. If you want to change it, right, then click on the file and click on the project setting, and from here you change it, right? So click on it and it will be changed as widescreen, and from here you also change the resolutions, right, as custom resolution, as your specified resolution is 1280 by 70 HD resolution for YouTube, and from here you lock your aspect ratio 16 by 9, and from here you also change the frame rate 25, 29, 30 fps. Generally it's set on the 25, and from here you also change your color space, the high resolution, right, and it is the low resolution, and then click on OK. So your settings will be done. So now we see the aspect ratio, right? So drag and drop this pic and it is the aspect ratio, right? Now we change the aspect ratio from here. So click on the file, project setting, and now we choose the Instagram and then select it, right, and then click on OK. So it will be changed on the one by one. So it is a short method how to change your project setting in your Filmora.